Yeah. From the Midwest to the West Coast, a dream. The outcast, it came out so fresh and so clean. And I must confess, I don't know everything, but I know what I know. You know what I mean? It's like the stars align. Every 1,000 bars I rhyme, but the right words is hard to find. So I finish lines to the finish lines in sight. Just imagine if I actually had the time to write. Maybe then I'd finally get to where I figured I'd be. Not religious, but I sense something bigger than me. Only problem is it's hard to understand it like broken English. So I paint my own canvas with a stroke of genius. Something told me my destiny manifest. The best of me stand the test of time. So I took a leap of faith, something like a steeplechase, and climbed back in the saddle trying to keep the pace. They say it's say a 949, a 242, different chains in this. I say it is what it is, I'm letting it go, go, go. What you see is what you get. I am what I am, and I feel like it's but it's gonna take. Yo, I know it sound crazy, crazy to think it could change, but just maybe. Maybe you're blinking a stranger right before your own eyes. Like water to wine, the ignorant grown wise. The rise and fall if I could break bread with 5,000 heads. Take every man's shoes, walk a mile of tread. It's like sight for the blind, a voice for the dumb, a symphony for the deaf, embrace for the numb. Feel it. What if rappers stop acting hard when in fact they scored? Would it really take an act of God? Is he even listening? What if y'all stop believing?